So a long-term friend of mine asked me this very, very important question, and I decided to give him a response here. Although I've given him a response privately, but I decided to share that knowledge here publicly so that people can learn. He asked me, my brother, what is the meaning of the word Onitsha? So the meaning of the word Onitsha has been a very, very wide debate. It has caused a lot of stir. And being someone who he knows usually delves into the etymology of Igbo words, he decided to reach out to me. My brother, Osita Morde, asked me that question, and I'm providing the answer today. It's a very, very straightforward answer. The meaning of the word Onicha lies very deep in the word itself. It is not an abbreviation. It is just an Igbo word. Depending on which part of Igbo land you come from, this word will make meaning to you. Why we say Ọnịcha? Ọnịcha. It means one thing. The one who has lived or stayed aside from his or her kinsmen. Ọnịcha is somebody who is staying apart from his kinsmen, has left the group. We usually have nucleated settlements, but anybody who has chosen to move away from that nucleated settlement to a distant or dispersed settlement can be described as Onye Ọnịcha. When we are discussing in a group or sitting in a group and somebody stays aside from that group, I can easily ask that person, Bia oneke noze n'ụcha, kike eme n'ụcha, pụcha n'ụcha, bịa do no, bịa ka anyị niile do n'ọgbame, bịa ka anyị do n'ọgbame ọnụ, anọze anụcha. Ọnịcha, ọnụcha. Anybody that is staying aside or away from the group, n'Ọnịcha. Now, some people think it's associated with Ezechima. No, it's not only associated with Ezechima. There is Onicha in every part of Western and Eastern Igbo land. There are so many Onicha communities that have no affiliation whatsoever with the descendants of Ezechima. Onicha. When you live away from the group, your kinsmen, ya no dege kwa Ọnịcha o. Kendrai, beni a memenye gbasani Igbo, no n'ụcha, kobi so ayen no bame. Ọnịcha bụ na ajonye o. Some people go and stay in this ụcha, ono n'ụcha, madu wike n'ụcha. Obune aswaide no n'ụcha, makene me onye mene boy, abese abite. Ụfọdụ anọzụkwa n'ụcha no, makana aswane bite enwose. Until you live a bit far away from your kinsmen, you will not have too many friends. But when you live a bit far away, you will see how people will be visiting you. How are you? So, I hope I have sufficiently used this medium to explain the meaning of the word Ọnịcha. Ọnịcha. Somebody sent me a message. I did not respond after reading it, so he called me. He was telling me that Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was explaining the meaning of the word Ọnịcha to mean that his grandmother told him that when they came to live in this part of Igbo land, it has no meaning or bearing. That explanation doesn't hold water. Some say it's Onyocha, that the daughter of one of the founders of Onicha was very fair. Onyocha, Ọnịcha, 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 Ọnịcha. Pronounce these words. Think of its Igbo meaning and understand what I just explained. Mado n'Ọnịcha, onye ebifege. You are living away from your kinsmen. If I use the people of present day Ọnịcha mmiri, ndị akpọwowe, ndị Ọnịcha adonidu as an example, you will understand perfectly what I just explained. Women Ezechima are in this side of Western Igbo land. Let me even explain it a bit deeper. Oheze was the first son of Ezechima. It is believed But Oheze died while Ezechima himself was still alive. So, he was buried. His children believe they will ascend the throne of their father as the head of Ezechima clan. But they were not allowed to do so. After they found Ọnịcha. Before some of them now moved to Ọnịcha Mili. And was Ọnịcha Olona, who assimilated and welcomed some migrant groups from Benin, who are presently claiming today that Ọnịcha is not an Igbo community. And I love their language, their culture, everything they do is Igbo. Even the people claiming they are not Igbo people in Ọnịcha Olona, their names are Igbo names. I will not want to start mentioning names here, but it's so funny how you will see somebody whose names, culture, everything, grandfather's name, great-grandfather's names are Igbo, claiming that they are no longer Igbo. I look at all these things and I laugh. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from today. If you also feel I did not explain it correctly, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think is the meaning of the word Onicha. But etymologically speaking, this is the meaning of the word Onicha. Ọnịcha, Ọnụcha, Onye nọ n'ụcha, ndị bi n'ụcha. People who are living away from their kids and kin. People who have chosen to live in a dispersed location or settlement. Usually far from the place where their kids and kin are found to be resident. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share it to your audience. Thank you. Find other interesting videos on our platform. Watch and share. Thank you.